Hi everyone, this is KAUSTUBH Sharma. I am AWS Certified Graduate and AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. I am currently working as a cloud professional in a reputed IT giant. In my previous video, I told you that nowadays cloud computing is growing fast. But is cloud computing the only technology that is growing? Or there are many other technologies that are growing with the cloud? Artificial intelligence and machine learning, or simply you can say AI and ML, are one of the few technologies which may have less market capture today, but it will definitely grow soon or later. So students who want to start their career in AI or ML should watch this video till the end to understand the full process. We will discuss all these in today's video and how to get free training and certification of AI and ML. In my previous video, I also told you about how you can get free certification and training in cloud. So if you haven't seen that video, you can click the I button appearing right now in the right corner of this video, or you can go through the link given in the description. Let's discuss today's agenda, that what we are going to discuss today in this video. First, we start our topic with who should attend these sessions and why to attend these sessions, and what are the main highlights of this conference. I will also tell you about the different levels of these sessions, the cost and timings of the sessions, and the languages in which you are able to attend these sessions. Later on, I will tell you how to register for these sessions. In last, I will show you how to get free AI and ML certification. So let's deep dive into the topic. Today, AI, ML and cloud are the buzzword in the IT industry. Knowing one of these technologies will definitely help you in the future. AWS is not only a leader in the cloud but also AI ML field. More than 89% of deep learning projects in cloud run on AWS. AI ML is so new that there are only 10,000 customers who uses AWS for machine learning, and learning a new technology at this starting phase, which has so much caliber to deliver in the future, will surely help you in your career. Amazon Web Services, or simply AWS, is organizing an online conference, AWS Innovate, in which anyone can join. Whether you are new to the AI ML or experienced user, you can learn something new at these sessions. This will help you to develop the right skill to create insights, enable new efficiencies, and make more accurate decisions. These sessions will be categorized into 4 levels. First, level 100. These sessions are for the new users and will be delivered with the assumption that attendees are new to the topic. Second, level 200. These sessions are for the intermediate users and will be delivered with the assumption that attendees have an introductory knowledge of the topic. These sessions also involve the detailed demos of features and services. Third, level 300. These sessions will be conveyed to the advanced users who have some familiarity with the topic but may or may not have direct experience on implementing a similar solutions. Fourth, level 400. These sessions are for the expert attendees who are deeply familiar with the topic and have implemented a solution on their own already and are comfortable with the how technology work across multiple services, architectures and implementations. I suggest you to go step by step, first attempt level 100 session and then carry on with all other higher level sessions. So now let's discuss the main highlight of this event. There will be more than 50 sessions at this conference and you will get a facility of live Q&A, so if you have a doubt or questions, you can directly ask the experts. Each session is enriched with technical demos and customer stories. In these sessions, you will also learn how to begin your AI ML journey with AWS, how to prepare, build, train and deploy ML models, different use cases of AI and ML. Also, you will get to learn from a series of hands-on lab and chat with our AWS expert and understand how to get started, certified and get move forward in your career path. You will also get technical demos from AWS on how to solve real-world problems of your customers with step-by-step guide. These sessions will be conducted on Wednesday 24 Jan 2021 at two different timings in India. One is from 5:30 to 10:30 am session and second is from 10 am to 4 pm. You can check out the timings for all other countries right now on the screen. Like AWS Cloud Training, these sessions are also free and will be available in English, Korean, Japanese and Indonesian language. So let me tell you how to register for these sessions and what differences are there if you are a student or a working professional. Let's visit the official page of this event to register for this training. Link is available in the description. Click on register. Fill out all the required details such as name, address, etc. A student can fill that my interest field as personal, job title as a student, company name as your school name. Industry field as education. Fill in all the remaining details and click on register. You will receive an email from AWS at your email address like this. Click on verify account to verify your email account. After which you will be redirected to a page that has a message that your registration has been confirmed. Also, you will receive a confirmation mail from AWS. Now let me tell you how to get the free certification of AI/ML. For free certification, you have to attend at least 5 sessions of this conference. Then AWS will send you your free certification at your mail address by which you register for this training. That's all for today guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you don't like it, it's okay. Tell me in the comment section so that I can improve in the next video.